It's not every day you get to build your dream house. People say that I'm crazy. They say, you can't build a house out of candy. What about the ants? What about the ants? What about the ants? Well, who cares about the ants? I'm doing this for the little ones.
We're thinking that we're going to put your oven here. Lovely chrome oven.
No. It must be bigger.
Bigger?
Bigger! Bigger! There you are. I guess I'm a perfectionist. You!
Here?
No, bigger.
Bigger?
Bigger! Yes. Everything needs to be just right. This before. Don't want to have to renovate your house every year. Trust me. I just need everything to be particular. How do I say this? I get along with the team very well. Who did this? What's going on here? This is horrible. Keep going. Timing is going to be an issue. Hurry! Hurry! Summer holidays are coming! You must hurry! With the right motivation, I know we can make it. Oh, I have big plans for this place. I mean, it's just going to be fabulous. Bravo, you. Everyone, thank you. You did a great job. Bravo! Well done, you. Crazy? Stupid birds. I like to think of myself as a visionary. Perfect. Stop there. That'll do. What do you mean kids don't like candy anymore? Smartphones? What the f*** is a smartphone? Mother, what the f*** is a smartphone? Smartphones?